box should I select when I'm asked whether or not I want to apply for SSDI or SSI. If you have the necessary quarters of coverage and you're insured, you obviously want to apply for SSDI. Why? Well, the benefits are greater. Your medical benefits are greater once you become eligible for those benefits. And on the other hand, if you check SSI, that's because you don't have an insured status, but you have to meet the asset test. That means that you only have a limited amount of money in the bank account. You can have a car, you can have a home, but you have to understand that the assets that your spouse has, their income is includable in determining whether or not you meet the asset test. And if that happens, you most likely are not going to be eligible for SSI, regardless of how disabled you might be. When you apply for SSDI, you can go back up to a year prior to the date of filing. That means you're going to get back benefits if you're found eligible. And you're closer in time, of course, to satisfying the 29-month period of time that you have to wait for Medicare. On the other hand, if it's clear that you're never going to be eligible for SSI because you don't have the insured status and you meet the asset test, you want to apply for the SSI. And as I said, this is confusing. But I think if that's the situation, you want to apply potentially for both types of benefits simply because you just may not know. I'd rather have the Social Security Administration say you're not entitled to SSI benefits because you don't meet the asset test than to not ask. So if you have any questions about your rights to Social Security benefits, call me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation.